I guess he's found himself a new best friend. When you don't want to be with your sister, but she has your favorite snack.
Love is in the air when a newborn is twinned with her mother's horse.
You want to come in?
Dog's like, let me join in too.
Really, Nyla?
Her laughter might just be the one thing that can get him to do anything.
You ready to meet your brother? Okay? Oh. Here, come.
Is that your buddy? Is that your buddy?
She's choking him or?
She's giving him scratch. Oh, I'm by you now. I'm by you now.
Looks like someone's still a little shy around his sister.
You love Thor. He loves you too.
Not many people can handle this cuteness. How about you?
Look, Daddy. Look at him. Don't squeeze him too hard.
No. No. You know what that means? Let him go. Go. Time out for Freddy, please. Give him a kiss and let him go, hon. Give him 5 minutes time out. Bye, Freddy. Go have some space.
Don't miss the next adorable video of this baby dog duo.
He painted by the dog.
Good morning.
What's she so?
Be nice.
What could be better than growing up with your best friend by your sides?
Who is that?
This is exactly the beginning of an inseparable bond.
Luna. Luna.
I'm not going to party today yet. What's the white mouse? She hides in a wood pile and scares little animals. I'm not thirsty.
Ready, not thirsty.
Yeah.
The cow's like, "Hey Dad, I just want to hold hands with her and play too."
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Hey.
A kid's argument in progress. Classic style.
I'm done.
Baby. Oh, I'm trying to get the fall. Baby. It's completed. What is happening? Are you giving her a haircut?
This is just the beginning, buddy. Hang in there.
Ready. 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 Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
One. Two done.
Right?
I love Look at him.
Oh my goodness, he looks so cute, buddy.
Look at my glasses.
She put glasses on him.
When a tiny human suddenly shows up and starts taking all of Dad's attention.
Freddy by Dobby. Freddy. 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 I love it.
Don't push, don't push him. No, don't push him, don't push him.
Okay, Dad, I'm ready than ever.